Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have something that is very special and near and dear to my heart that I want to share with you. It's what I call a traveling stone. And basically what it is it's a little pebble that has an image on it that you draw with a Uni-Posca pen, and then somebody very special's name on the back. Somebody you want to memorialize or somebody you want to remember forever. And this is a rock that you put in your pocket, and when you go on a walk or when you go to your special place, you take it and you leave it behind so that that person's spirit can always be part of your special places. You can take it on an adventure, you can take it on a trip, or you can just take it around the block. And I'm going to show you how to make one of these right now. For this project, you will need flat pebbles or stones, heart stickers if you like, Uni-Posca pens or Sharpie pens. You can create a rock like this with a sticker if you want to. That's very, very, very easy. And then just write the name of whoever you want on the back. Or you can use your Uni-Posca pens. Now, I am very fond of my Uni-Poscas. So the first thing I'm going to do is just draw a heart, because I'm going to make this for my Grammy Yoakum, who I loved very, very much. So I would draw my heart, and what I find with the Uni-Posca pens and on rocks is that sometimes you need to give them a couple coats. So this one actually has 3 coats on it to make it look nice and matte. And then once you're done that, then you're going to flip over your rock, right? And you're going to draw on the back. And in this case, I just want to be her name to show up, and so I'm going to actually just create like a little cloud with my white Uni-Posca pen. So here we've got our heart, and there's my little cloud on the back. And now you just write the name of whoever it is that you love and want to take with you on your rock. And now she's ready to travel. I know exactly where I'm going to take her. I'm going to take her to the middle of the bay next time I go paddleboarding, and I'm going to make her part of the beautiful water that I love so much. And that's all there is to making your traveling stones. I hope that you enjoy these as much as I do. I personally have found that when I'm making them, I get to remember the person that I'm memorializing, and that is worth more than anything. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.